Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can create a new Valorant account or Smurf account, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a new Valorant account, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, you will need to log out of your Valorant account. And after logging out, I want you to open your Valorant again. And after opening it, you will then be directed to the Riot Games login section. So to create a new Valorant account, you will need to create a new Riot account. So to do that, I want you to click the Create Account button right here. And after that, you will then be directed to the official Valorant website. So now that you're on the website, I want you to click this to create a new account. And then click the Create One button. And after that, you will now be creating your Riot account. So to set up your account, you just need to enter your information such as your email, birthday, username, and password. And make sure to remember your username and password since you will need it to log in your new account. And once you're done setting up your account, click this to finally create it. And then you just need to accept Riot's terms and service policy, so just scroll to the very bottom, check the agreement box, and then click accept. And after that, your Riot account will now be created. You can now go back to the Riot client to log it in. Just enter the username and password of your Riot new account right here. And then click this to sign in. And after that, you will need to accept the terms and service policy again, so just scroll it down to the bottom, then click accept. And after that, you will now be signed in to your new account. So now that you are signed in, you can now open Valorant. Then right here, you just need to create your Riot ID. You can just enter whatever you like for your ID. And once you're done setting up your Riot ID, you can now click Create. And after that, your new Valorant account will now open. And then there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your new Valorant account or Smurf account. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.